We're big fans of the Samsung Galaxy S24, but we can't wait to see what the Galaxy S25 has in store for us next year. Samsung's choice to reintroduce the Exynos chipset for the Galaxy S24 series this year created a commotion. After the great reaction to the Snapdragon-only strategy with the Galaxy S23 range, Samsung has now chosen a blend of Exynos and Snapdragon for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. However, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will stick with Snapdragon in all markets. According to recent speculation, the chipset in the Galaxy S25 might come with a bonus of Google artificial intelligence. It's said that Samsung's Exynos 2500 processor, expected to feature in some Galaxy S25 models, will come equipped with a Tensor Processing Unit, TPU, developed by Google. This TPU would handle AI tasks similarly to how the GPU handles visuals. The concept is to enhance local processing, resulting in a faster and smoother user experience without heavy reliance on cloud-based data transfers. If these rumors hold, the Galaxy S25's AI capabilities will be even more impressive, setting a new benchmark in the smartphone industry. It's always intriguing to ponder how Samsung will equip its flagship Galaxy S series, whether with its proprietary chipsets or those provided by Qualcomm. In the Galaxy S23 series, they went all in with Qualcomm, while the Galaxy S24 models used Qualcomm CPUs only in certain regions, such as the US, Canada, and China, except for the Ultra variant. Initially, rumors suggested that the Galaxy S25 phones would exclusively use Exynos 2500 CPUs, but recent leaks have cast doubts on that. If Qualcomm is indeed involved next year, it raises questions about how Samsung will ensure there's no performance gap between the Exynos 2500 with Google's TPU and the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. One thing is for certain, phone manufacturers are eager to incorporate as much artificial intelligence as possible into their devices. This trend is evident with the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, boasting the Tensor G3 processors manufactured by Samsung. In today's technology landscape, everyone and everything is adopting AI, and Samsung is no different. They boldly debuted their Galaxy S24 range as an AI phone in January with the Galaxy iPack. Now, they're taking it further by incorporating artificial intelligence into Bixby. According to a Samsung official, generative AI and machine learning technologies will enable Bixby to become more smarter. Bixby, which was launched in 2017 to compete with Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri, is still playing catch-up. With Apple's intentions to expand Siri with ChatGPT-like features, Samsung understands it cannot afford to slip behind. The new version will allow Bixby to interpret complex commands, increasing its versatility and user-friendliness. During the recent launch of Samsung's AI-powered bespoke home appliances lineup, Bixby was once again in the spotlight. Samsung revealed that Bixby will not only comprehend complex sentences and voice commands, but also engage in natural conversations and remember previous interactions. It will have a better understanding of a user's needs and provide tailored solutions. For example, if you inform Bixby that your living room feels humid, it will adjust the humidifier accordingly. If you ask Bixby what to do with the potatoes you bought yesterday, it will suggest recipe options. As for when this AI update will happen, there's no fixed date yet. Perhaps we'll hear more about it at the Summer Galaxy Unpacked event. Apart from this, Samsung's Fan Edition lineup is set to receive an update this year, following the company's tradition of launching it in the second half of 2024, shortly after revealing its new foldable phones. Although the official release is still about 6 months away, early indications suggest that Samsung is already working on the Galaxy S24 FE, which will play a crucial role in the success of its 2024 Fan Edition series. It's the perfect time for Samsung to start building the supply chain for the Galaxy S24 FE, which involves assessing components, negotiating with suppliers, and finalizing sourcing arrangements before mass production begins in the latter half of the year. According to a local report from South Korea, Samsung has chosen Anapass, a Korea-based company specializing in ICs and other products, as the supplier for the display driver ICs in the Galaxy S24 FE. The device is expected to feature a rigid OLED display panel with chip-on-film packaging for the driver, a more intricate component compared to chip-on-glass. Samsung has previously collaborated with Anapass, indicating its confidence in the supplier's products. Anapass is currently the third-largest supplier of display driver ICs to Samsung Display for its smartphone OLED panels, with Samsung System LSI and Magnachip occupying the top two spots. Mass production of the Galaxy S24 FE is anticipated to commence in the summer, with a likely unveiling in August or September of this year. Meanwhile, Samsung's long-standing dominance in the global smartphone market faced a challenge when Apple briefly snatched the crown. However, recent data suggests that the tides have turned back in Samsung's favor. According to Counterpoint Research, Samsung managed to regain its lead over Apple in the first quarter of 2024, shipping a total of 19.69 million smartphones, narrowly surpassing Apple's 17.41%. Samsung's dominance is particularly evident in Europe and the US, where they secured a 34% and 36% share of smartphone shipments, respectively, during the same period. This success can likely be attributed to the launch of their highly anticipated Galaxy S24. Does this mean that Samsung has definitively reclaimed the top spot from Apple? Not necessarily. The battle between these tech giants is far from over. However, Samsung's exceptional performance in the first quarter is undoubtedly a sign of their strength. The company will undoubtedly strive to maintain this momentum in the coming months, but only time will tell if it can sustain its success. Combined with Samsung's history of impressive smartphone updates, these tidbits should be enough to pique our interest for more Galaxy S25 Ultra news. Given Samsung's focus on ad features in this year's phones, we can expect the same dedication in the Galaxy S25 lineup, including the Ultra. When it comes to the high-end phone, there are whispers of camera improvements that could rival even Apple's best camera phone. It might seem premature to start pondering about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but rest assured, Samsung is already hard at work planning its next big release. Stay tuned for updates on what to expect from the upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup throughout the year leading up to its 2025 launch. Share your expectations in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our channel for more updates. Until next time, take care.